Hello, trading world. It's a boy Louis FX again, and today we're going to be doing something different. I've been hearing a lot of people say something like, sometimes their order block gets broken or their demand level got, you know, defied or broken or doesn't hold. Um, we all know that in SMC, this is one thing you should keep in mind. Number one, we must follow market trend. I know it is okay to break our rules when need be, you understand? But if you come to the market, let me say for example, I'm a day trader. If I come to the market maybe on Monday or Tuesday and the market is in an uptrend, giving us higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, and then these higher highs keeps, giving us that break of structures to the upside, and then another break of structure to the upside. What you should be looking at is what you should be looking at. Okay, look at the demand levels being created by the market. For example, you see this demand level here, it held. Then there was another demand level here that held. Now a fresh demand level was created here. Now, as a patient trader, you don't want to, be chasing the market, or you don't want to be forcing the market to sell from this point here. You don't want to be forcing the market to sell from this point after breaking structure. All you have to do is you wait for the market. You wait for the market to come back into your zone. And now this is where the whole thing gets confusing. You just have to pay attention. Now you have identified your trend. Now you want to trade. Secondly, you want to trade in the direction of the market trend. Yeah, there's a bullish power in the market. Now you want to flow with them. And now the market has come into a discounted zone for you to buy cheap. That is what I mean by discounted. For you to buy it cheap. Now, on this fresh demand level that was created in the market here, you want to see the market do something like this. This is where change of character comes to play. On the lower time frame, you want to see the market do something like this. Let's say this was the demand level that was created. The market, if you go to, maybe this should be, let me say this trend here is on the 4 hour, and if you go down to your 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame, you see some kind of mini trend. The market forming some kind of lower highs, some kind of lower highs, lower lows. Lower high, lower low, something like that, and the market is doing something like this, and the market gets into your demand level. You want to see the market take out this last lower high that was created before the market tapped into your zone, before you will label it as change of character, and then the new zone that was created on that lower time frame, you mark out that zone, and that is where you are going to be taking your entries from. Because now what the market is trying to tell you is that, okay, we have now entered your point of interest, and we formed lower highs and lower lows, before getting into your point of interest. Now one of the lower highs or two of the lower highs have been taken out, giving us a higher high, and now you mark out the fresh demand level that was created here, this one here. This is your fresh demand levels. That is where you're going to be taking your positions from. Now all you have to do, you enter your position here, put your stop loss somewhere there, and then maybe you target the 4-hour high that was created. Now on your target should be on the 4-hour. Now that should be the 4-hour high there, should be your target after getting your confirmation, something like this. Now you've gotten your entries on the lower time frame. This is just a skeptical example. Now let me show you what I mean on real life chart, something like this. Let's use this here as an example. Now you can see, yes, the market is somehow dropping, it's coming down. The market is coming down here on the 4-hour. You have your interest point here. You want to buy the market from this zone. Yes, I know many SMC traders like me wants to buy here because it's kind of discounted and there is an imbalance and stuff like that. So on the 5 minutes time frame, what do I want to see? On the 5 minutes time frame, or let me even use the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes time frame, what am I expecting the market to do? I'm expecting the market to come into my interest level here, tap into this zone, and take out a lower high that was created before the market got into my zone. That is what I mean, giving me that change of character, indicating that okay, this zone will hold, fine. Then I'll mark out the fresh demand level that was created by the market, and then I'll take long position from that point. Maybe my target, if I want to be greedy, my target might be here or here, I don't know. But this is just a skeptical example. This is just an example of what it means by you knowing your trend and also waiting for the market to get your point of interest so you don't get confused, and also giving you that confirmation entry, telling you that okay, this zone will hold. Okay, the market has shown us a POI, 4-hour POI. We go down to the 15 minutes or the 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame, depending on the time frame that suits you. You wait for that change of character, indicating that yes, you want to continue in the bullish direction of the market or the bearish direction of the market. Now you take your long position from the fresh demand zone created after the change of character, and then you take your long position or your short position from that point. You don't have to be right, and you don't have to be too rigid about the whole thing. You just have to flow with the market. What the market is showing you, all you have to do is react to it and anticipate, because this is just a game of probabilities. It's a game of numbers. So just do as you've been told. Just follow your rules. Don't break your rules. There might be times that you have to break your rules. Yes, I know. But follow your rules. Do the right thing. Even though you do the right thing, sometimes the market might still go bad. But just do the right thing. Do the right thing. That is it. Do the right thing. So, I believe with this little video, this short video, I think you should be good. Have a good trading life. Have a good trading week ahead. The market will be open around 10 p.m. GMT from Nigeria. So the market should be open by that time. But I'm not going to be trading at then. So peace out. I think this video is getting too long. Have a nice trading day, and peace be unto you. Goodbye.